Good afternoon, passengers. This is an announcement for all travellers at Terminal 2 of International Airport. Passengers travelling on flight AI 274 to Singapore are requested to proceed to Gate 18 for boarding. Boarding will begin shortly, and passengers are advised to have their boarding passes and identification ready. We would also like to inform passengers travelling to Dubai on flight EK 503 that the departure has been delayed due to operational reasons. The new departure time is 6:45 p.m. We apologise for the inconvenience caused. Passengers for flight BA 256 to London are reminded that check-in counters will close in 20 minutes. Please ensure that you have completed all check-in procedures before the counters close. Additionally, this is a reminder that all unattended baggage will be removed and may be destroyed in accordance with airport security regulations. Passengers are advised to keep their belongings with them at all times. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant journey.